Hello, everyone, and welcome to the SAP Business One America's SEEDx Development Challenge for 2019. So, first, let's start with a high level overview of the program. So, the program will run starting today until the Innovation Summit, which is going to take place in June later on this year. And the main idea behind the initiative is to support you, the partners, and the customers to build innovative solutions utilizing all the newest technology trends on top of SAP Cloud Platform. And the main technologies that we are going to look for are going to be the machine learning, Internet of Things, blockchain, big data, and advanced analytics. So, first, if you would like to take part in the program, you will have to register and you will find the registration on the blog post, which I'm going to share later on. And I'm going to show you the blog post as well. And you have until March 1st to register your solution and idea. After that, we will reach out to you and we'll hold one-on-one call to validate the idea. And then after that, you will be able to first start learning and looking into the technologies and how to extend SAP Business One, utilizing those technologies, and also start developing the solution. At the end of the learning and development, you will be able to submit a solution, and you will have to submit by June 1st, 2019, and the submission will include two components. First is going to be the creation of a solution demo video, which shouldn't take more than 3 minutes, shouldn't be a technical deep dive, and should be the user perspective and story, meaning how the problem, uh, what's the problem, how it came up, uh, and how the solution actually solves the problem. The second component is going to be creation of the blog post on SCN, and the blog post will include the key areas of the solution as well as link to the video, and it should be based on a template that you will be able to get from a jump page, which as well I'm going to share later on, and it's also the link will be available on the blog post itself. After you submit your solution to us, all the participants will get certification of participation, and also the three top submissions will get a discount on the certification of SAP ICC as well as some marketing support as well. The first place will get a 100% discount on the SAP ICC solution certification. The second place will get 50%, and the third will get 30%. Also, you will get support from the marketing of the SAP Business One team, as well as additional prizes will be announced later on and will be given during the SAP Innovation Summit later on this year in June. So now I would like to spend a few minutes and give some examples of loosely coupled solution utilizing the intelligent enterprise technologies for the SMB. So again, let's talk first what we are looking for. So the high level idea is going to be you, the partner and customer, building on top of the SAP Cloud Platform a solution that will be consumed through either mobile device or web browser, and will take advantage of the intelligent technologies that are provided services on top of the SAP Cloud Platform. Things like the IoT, machine learning, and other aspects of services that are available. And all of these will be loosely coupled, connected through the service layer to SAP Business One. And one example is you can find on the following blog post that you will see in the link below, but it's the SMB Marketplace solution. It's an offering that actually provides simplified user experience through a conversation messaging system. For this example, it's going to be a Facebook Messenger, which will mean that you don't really need to install anything. It's just zero download, zero installation in regards to the user experience, and you'll be able from there take a picture of an item that you want to buy. The item will be matched and searched in the catalog, and then the offerings will be available to you to be purchased, and the purchase will flow to SAP Business One. And this is like this is a more detailed outline of the solution. So you can see there are three main components. The first component is the user experience, that is going to be through a web user or a mobile device. You take a picture, you send it to the chatbot, or the in this case the Facebook Messenger, which will send back to you the list of the items that are matching the picture that you just took. Um, and this is going to be done by the chatbot actually using a backend orchestrator that sits in the SAP Cloud Platform that utilizes the SAP Leonardo image similarity scoring. And the moment it finds a similar item that is ranked, or actually going to offer you few uh, similar items and give you the scoring or the possible matching of the to the image. This will be presented back to the user, and then the user will be able to select the item and purchase the item, which again will flow to the backend orchestrator, and then through the service layer will send to the third component of this solution, which is actually the ERP system, which could be SAP Business One or SAP Business by Design. The next example I'm going to give here is was done by the Versino, and it's the IoT hub solution. Versino to provide SPA device maintenance and SPA service that to help their customers. So those devices, healthcare devices, are needs to be monitored from uh, results point of view of the device itself, and also the results of the users numbers. So all of this information can flow back to the hub, and from there, if the, for example, machine needs requires a service ticket can be created in SAP Business One, and a technician could be dispatched. And again, this is an example for the solution. So the moment a device um, sends the information to the SAP Cloud Platform IoT service, the information will flow, and based on the application uh, that is defined here, either through the service layer, a service request will be created in SAP Business One, and also there is a user interface utilizing SAP UI5 that you will be able to monitor and see the information about all the devices that are connected to the IoT hub and their current status. So this is one example um, of another example of the solution. A third example I want to give here is going to be the Fashion One by Argentis, and this offering is helping companies to better try to predict fashion trends, and then based on that produce or create garments that uh, that have better chances to be matching the current trends that are going on. And the idea will be that someone will take a picture of a garment, and then utilizing different services like the SAP Leonardo Visual APIs for the recognition, and utilizing social boards like Pinterest and mood boards, uh, utilizing the SAP Cloud Platform to analyze automatically the image, and then based on the success of the or based on the ranking of the image from popularity point of view, um, and utilizing this SAP predictive services provide back scoring and ranking for the style of the image that was scanned. And there is a link to the blog post that gives more detailed information about the solution. And this is the outline again, how the person takes a picture, which the image will be recognized and matched to Pinterest or Facebook boards, and then utilizing predictive services from the SAP Cloud platform to send the information back to SAP Business One to the service layer. Now you will see also in the jump page past submissions that will give you some examples of other solutions that got submitted, which give you more idea about how your submission should look like. Also, you will find in the jump page a, a structure for learning. So you will see here content that you'll be able to go through, which will give you all the ins and outs on how to develop extensions, especially loosely coupled extensions to SAP Business One. So now I would like to jump and show you the blog post. So in this blog post, you'll be able to see all the information I just shared. You'll be able to see here a link to the registration page that you'll be able to open and register your idea. So again, please go ahead and do that until March 1st. Also, the moment you register, you will be invited to the jump page, the SMB SEEDx jump page, and here we'll see all the information that is relevant to the challenge. So first, you will see here all the training material and training areas and tips and tricks that are relevant to the challenge. So it's highly recommended for you to sign up and get access to that. So for example, if you go, you will see your design thinking material, you will see your tips and tricks, different tips and tricks on how to build different type of solutions. You will see here and the overview page with the link to all the accessibility of SAP Business One courses available online, and also the main America's Development Challenge for 2019 page. And this will give you here again the overview. You will see here the link for the submission form. You will be able to submit your solution. There is a short video that outlines the submission process and also a template that you should be able to use and in the blog post creation. And you have until June 1st to submit your solution. And again, on the right side here, we'll see some links to past year submissions. Now, one last thing I would like to highlight here is the grading criteria. So this is the grading criteria that will be used to rank the different solutions. You can see here, you'll see all the weights that are given to different aspects that um, will that you will use in your solution, and it will give you an idea about where to put the effort on. So again, just to highlight, of course, anything that is utilizing SAP Cloud Platform and the different services provided through the SAP Cloud Platform will give a higher ranking. And so please go ahead and try to take advantage as much as possible from all the SAP Cloud Platform services, as you can see here. So I would like to end the call here, and I'm looking forward to see all of you join the SEEDx Development Challenge for 2019. And we here in the Americas team will be more than happy to work together with you to help you bring a proof of concept solution and even a solution to your customers, and together providing and making your customers an intelligent enterprise. Thank you.